Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing a 1-hour trading strategy. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 1-hour trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 34 different strategies. This one will be the 35th, with 9 of them being winners. We have also tested 443 indicators, with 182 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that all these indicators, even though they were tested on Forex, can be used in crypto and other markets as well. Alright, so today's indicator, video strategy is a 1-hour trading strategy. We have 3 different indicators that we are using. And so we have the QQE, modified QQE down here at the bottom. You can see it painting these bar type setup here. Then we have the standard super trend. And then we have the Duzen trend indicator. Not sure if I'm saying that right or not, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. I'll put the links to each one of these indicators down in the description below if you're interested in taking a look at them. So the setup on this is pretty straightforward. So if we turn the visual off on the super trend there, then you can see that the Duzen design, the trend indicator, however you want to pronounce it there, produces this line here. And you can see that this line, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit more there, or you can even turn off the bars. You can see that switching from red to green, back and forth there. So turn the price action back on there. And then we have the super trend. And so the first thing that we're looking for is the super trend to go red or to go green. Once the super trend goes red or green, we then look down at the QQE and see if when the super trend goes red, if the QQE also goes to this reddish purple tone here. And then the Duzen trend indicator is also needs to be in the red position. And then we would go short. And the opposite is also the case where we would have the QQE in the blue position and then the other two indicators in the green. And so the first thing that again we look for is the super trend to be in the green or red position, and then the trend indicator and the QQE both lining up, all pointing in the same direction. Now we can also get instances where we have, again, if I get rid of price action there for a moment, you can see that we have the trend indicator here. You can see that the QQE, then you can see that the trend indicator here actually switches from green to red, then back to green. That would be a valid entry as well. And so that's the basic setup that we are looking for. And so once we get that set up, so for example, let's say that right here, and we get the super trend, we get the Dozen trend indicator. I'm 100% pronouncing that wrong, and I'm sure I'm driving people insane, so you'll have to excuse me. And so anyways, it's red, the super trend is red, the QQE is red. Now once we have that, what we're going to do is we're going to put our stop right beyond the not the super trend but the other trend indicator there. I'm going to stop pronouncing it because, like, I'm sure someone's going to say that is not at all how you pronounce it. So anyways, so we put it right above that. So let's say 25 pips is going to be our stop. Then we do a 2-to-1 risk reward, or I guess it'd be a 1-to-2 risk reward. And so we would then have 25 as our stop. We'd be looking for 50 pips as our take profit. You can see right here, got to that pretty easily. Over here on this side though, right here we have a long signal. The trend indicator is green, super trend is green, the QQE is in the blue position. We then enter, and you can see that price action does come down and stop us out. So again, that's the setup. That's what the original video claimed was a awesome trading strategy. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and fast forward through the trade test, and once we get through that, we will pick this up at the end, take a look at what this strategy was able to achieve. All right, we are at the end of the 50 trade test there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and our regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts, where they mark out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see, and the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates. You'll get also access to the full Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones were winners, losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And then one last thing that we've been doing is our admin, Rob, has been posting everyday scanner alerts. And so these are his own personal scanners that he uses for crypto and Forex, the ones that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets a alert to his scanner, he will post it in the channel for all the patrons to be able to take advantage of those trading opportunities. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, so what was this strategy able to achieve? Well, like usual, we did the 50 trades. Out of those 50 trades, we have 14 winners. We have 36 losers. That's about a 28% win rate. Obviously, that is not going to work with a risk reward of 1 to 2. It's just, yeah. I mean, what can I say? I mean, you're losing more definitely than you are gaining. This isn't even one where you're breaking even. You're definitely losing trades. And so we've seen ones where you break even. We've seen some where you're making a little bit of a gain, but this one definitely is not one of those strategies. So there is definitely better strategies out there. One of the last couple strategies that we tested was a reasonably decent strategy, and for all the patrons, I even gave you guys a small tweak to make to that strategy to significantly increase the win rate as well as the pips gained on it. I posted that in the patron only channel for all of our patrons to be able to take advantage of that. And so this one, I would definitely stay away from it. It's not going to get you where you need to be. Just going to end up losing a significant amount of your account trying to trade this strategy. So all right, that's it for this video. We're going to call it here, and in the next video, we're going to get back to testing some more indicators.